Here are the crypto top headlines covered in this video. Altcoin season more probable once Bitcoin hits $80,000, says Hashkey Capital. Next, Consensys urges clear crypto rules in letter to future U.S. President. Also, Pennsylvania House of Representatives passes pro-crypto bill. Welcome to Crypto Top Headlines, where there are no speeches on my opinions, just bringing crypto's news to you. I would greatly appreciate it if you would click on the like and subscribe buttons, as well as the notification bell. It does help support the channel, so thank you in advance for doing so. Now, on to these headlines. Our first top headline, altcoin season more probable once Bitcoin hits $80,000, says Hashkey Capital. Analysts at Hashkey Capital say alt season could find firmer footing once Bitcoin trades above $80,000. Bitcoin breaking its current all-time high of $73,679 won't be enough to kickstart an altcoin season, according to a crypto investment firm. In an optimistic scenario, altcoin season is more probable when Bitcoin's price surpasses $80,000, crypto investment firm Hashkey Capital analysts opined in an October 23rd market report. An 18% Bitcoin price gain could trigger altcoin season. The $80,000 target is about 18% above its current price of $67,331 price, and the analysts argued that for altcoin season to start, Bitcoin's dominance will likely need to reach between 62% and 70%. Currently, Bitcoin's dominance is around 58.94% after hitting a 3.5-year high of 58.77%. Some analysts believe that an altcoin season is long overdue. This is the second longest altcoin bear market we've experienced, longer than the 2014 to 2016 period, and you're still here. MN Trading Capital founder Michael Vandepop stated in an X post, "Several meme coins among the top 100 cryptocurrencies by market capitalization have seen significant price surges over the past 7 days, making market participants more confident that altcoin season is on the horizon. Alt season might look different this time. Godius Maximus, or GOAT, has seen the most gains over the past 7 days, with a 160.13% increase, trading at 74 cents. Cat in a Dog's World, or MEW, was next with 25.58% gains across the 7 days, while Popcat Soul, or Popcat, saw 17.13% over the same period. Meanwhile, in August, concerns arose that the altcoin season might not unfold as expected due to crypto traders jumping the gun on the most speculative coins early in 2024. The joke has been told, everybody knows the punchline, and they've just gone straight to the punchline, and it is just not funny anymore," Glassnode lead analyst James Check stated. Let me pause here for a moment. If you're getting value out of this video, please click on the like and subscribe buttons as well as the notification bell. Our next top headline, Consensys urges clear crypto rules in letter to future U.S. President. The open letter emphasized how clear regulatory frameworks can ensure the U.S. remains competitive while safeguarding consumers and addressing illicit activity. Amid rising political and market tensions, blockchain firm Consensys has issued an open letter to the future United States President requesting clear and supportive regulations for cryptocurrencies and Web3. The letter, published on October 23rd, cites the need for transparency in regulatory ruling that would allow the U.S. to remain competitive globally while addressing consumer protection and illicit activity concerns. Consensys's plea comes as the cryptocurrency market experiences significant volatility in response to global events. Bitcoin is currently valued at around $67,500, down from its peak of more than $70,000 in June. Plea for regulatory clarity. Consensys argues that regulatory uncertainty in the U.S. is hindering blockchain technology development. The firm pointed out the lack of a comprehensive framework despite the global adoption of decentralized platforms. According to Consensys, this gap in regulatory guidance leaves room for inconsistent enforcement actions and the discouragement of innovation for businesses and developers. The plea for regulatory clarity arrives after the blockchain firm's lawsuit against the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission was thrown out of court by a Texas federal judge on September 19th. Crypto and politics. Bitcoin's price volatility has coincided with growing political activity in the cryptocurrency sector. Ripple co-founder Chris Larsen recently donated $10 million worth of XRP to Vice President Kamala Harris's presidential campaign. Larsen confirmed the contribution to a Political Action Committee, or PAC, that supports Harris on October 21st in an X post. In an October 22nd post, Bitwise's head of Alpha Strategies, Jeff Park, predicted a rally to $92,000 for BTC if former U.S. President Donald Trump wins the U.S. presidency in November. U.S. leadership implications for crypto. With the 2024 U.S. presidential election just weeks away, crypto policy has become a focal discussion point throughout social media. Trump, who was once critical of Bitcoin, has since adopted a pro-crypto stance. He has promised to fire SEC Chair Gary Gensler and position the U.S. as a global leader in cryptocurrency if he wins the election. Despite the promises of the former president, Consensys's warning of a lack of supportive regulatory oversight could still put the U.S. at risk of falling behind other nations that have already embraced blockchain tech. Our next top headline: Pennsylvania House of Representatives passes pro-crypto bill. Co-founder of the Satoshi Action Fund, Dennis Porter, dubbed the legislation the Bitcoin Rights Bill. The Pennsylvania House of Representatives passed HB-2481 on October 23rd, establishing a regulatory framework protecting self-custody and crypto payments, exempting digital assets from additional taxation, and asserting the right to operate a node. In a bipartisan vote, the bill passed by a staggering 176 to 26 margin, but must still be approved in the Pennsylvania Senate and signed by Pennsylvania Governor Josh Shapiro to become law. HB-2481 was written by the Bitcoin advocacy group Satoshi Action Fund. Co-founder and spokesperson for the advocacy group, Dennis Porter, had this to say following the passage of the bill. Support for Bitcoin transcends traditional party lines, appealing to voters who prioritize economic freedom, technological innovation, and digital privacy. Bitcoin also provides a pathway to escape CBDCs, an issue top of mind to many voters. Crypto advocacy groups continue to push for clearly defined digital asset regulations in the United States. However, industry executives have expressed concern that the U.S. is falling behind other jurisdictions like the European Union, which have established regulatory frameworks. U.S. to get clear crypto regulation following the 2024 election. Tether CEO Paolo Ardino recently expressed confidence that crypto regulations would improve in the U.S. following the 2024 election and characterized U.S. financial regulators as having dropped the ball on coherent crypto policy. Interagency disagreements about how to classify digital assets continue to cast uncertainty over the status of the nascent asset class in the United States, prompting an exodus of crypto firms from the country. In 2023, Ripple CEO and co-founder Brad Garlinghouse warned that U.S.-based crypto companies already started relocating to more favorable jurisdictions such as Japan, Singapore, Australia, the United Kingdom, and Switzerland due to the regulatory uncertainty in the U.S. At an October 19th Securities Industry and Financial Markets Association meeting, the chairman of the Commodity Futures Trading Commission, or CFTC, Rostin Banham, claimed the regulatory agency was currently handcuffed when it came to digital asset policy. Despite this, Banham said he expected this to change with the next administration. So this concludes Crypto Top Headlines. If you haven't already done so, don't forget to click on the like and subscribe buttons as well as the notification bell. Also, leave your thoughts in the comments and share this video with your friends and family. Thank you all for watching Crypto Top Headlines, bringing crypto's news to you.